Hey Springford Phys Ed, this is Miss Moley here, sharing this video with you to teach you the different rules of flag football as well as the different catching techniques. So first for the rules. So in flag football we allow 4 downs. First down is awarded if the ball is advanced past the 50-yard line. That's if we're playing outside. We'll have the 50-yard line marked. If we're playing inside, it'll be mid-court on a basketball court, halfway up the field. There is no blocking allowed. However, you can shadow, which is kind of like a moving screen. So you can move in front of the defender to block them from getting to your quarterback. There are no fumbles in flag football, so the ball is dead when the ball hits the ground. So if someone's running, they fumble the football, the play is dead. The offensive team receives the possession back. To rush the quarterback, you have to count 5 Mississippi, or 5 1,000, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, and so on. So 5 seconds to rush the quarterback. Once you do rush the quarterback, that's when they are able to run. Otherwise, they cannot run. They're only allowed to run if the defense crosses the line of scrimmage. Punting. So you have to inform the defense if you intend on punting on 4th down. So there's no sneaks or anything like that. You have to let the defense know that you're deciding to punt. We are using flags, so if for any reason a flag comes off you when you have the ball, the play is dead, you're down. If your flag comes off, you're down. The game begins with a kickoff from the 20-yard line or a fifth of the way up the court if we're playing inside. It's used after a touchdown is scored, and if the ball goes out of bounds, or I'm sorry, if the kickoff goes out of bounds, the opponent is allowed to begin at the 40-yard line or 2/5 of the way up the court if we're playing inside. So those are the rules of flag football. Okay, as far as catching, so when you come to your first day of phys ed for flag football, you're going to be learning the rules again, and we're going to learn the hand positioning for catching. So if you are catching the ball above your waist, first things first, you should always have your hands extended out in front of you, just like the gentleman on the right in this video. Your thumbs should be pointed in. Above the waist, your thumbs are pointed in, ready to catch the ball. If the ball is below your waist, you should have your thumbs pointed out, pinkies in, to catch the ball. Your eyes should be focused on the front of the ball. Again, you need to catch the ball in front of your body, hands out in front of you. Catch with your fingers, not your palms. So those are the rules and the hand positioning for catching. Now remember to log on and complete your quiz as well. Thanks.